Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce website maintenance costs with Squarespace, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce website maintenance costs with Squarespace, start by selecting an appropriate template. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and business needs. Utilize the built-in design features in Squarespace to customize your site. Leverage drag and drop functionality for easy adjustments and updates. Take advantage of the integrated blogging tools to keep content fresh without additional costs. Make use of Squarespace's built-in SEO features to enhance discoverability. Regularly update your website content to improve performance and engagement. Invest time in learning the Squarespace support resources to solve common issues independently. Set up automatic backups to safeguard your content and reduce potential recovery costs. Use Squarespace analytics tools to monitor performance and identify areas for improvement. Optimize images and videos directly within the platform to maintain fast loading times. Consider consolidating third-party applications by using Squarespace built-in features. Check for any unused features and subscriptions that can be eliminated to cut costs. Implement email campaigns through Squarespace to manage marketing effectively without extra services. Regularly review your site's health and performance to avoid any unexpected expenses. Create a simple maintenance schedule to stay organized and proactive. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce website maintenance costs while maximizing the benefits of using Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.